In this video, I teach you how to make $2,150 just by listening to music, which is one of the easiest ways to make money. The simplest methods for making money online. How do you go about doing it? We'll find out soon enough. This is how you can make $4.50 per song simply by listening to music. Furthermore, just a small fraction of those who see my videos subscribe. So, if you find this video useful, consider subscribing to get notifications. It's free, and you may change your mind at any time. As a result, anytime I have a new and fresh money-making approach, I will notify you. You may be one of the first to utilize it, because it's available online. As a result, make the maximum money possible. Let's get this party started. The first thing I want you to do is go to soundcloud.com and listen to some music. Basically, you may use this website to explore and listen to various types of music and songs. 2. You don't have to pay anything to join SoundCloud, it's completely free. There's a lot of different trendy music to listen to, as you can see below, and all of this music is accessible in a variety of languages. The best thing is that SoundCloud is available for download on your smartphone. It doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android phone, you can still use it. The software is available for free download. If you have an Android phone, you may search for it on the Google Play Store. SoundCloud Music and Audio, and the app will appear as follows. Just be sure to download it. The appropriate app. If you have an iPhone, though, you may go to the Apple App Store and download it. This is the same app as the one you can see here. Now I'd like you to leave a comment below and tell me what kind of gadget you're using. Do you have an iPhone or an Android phone? Now that you've downloaded SoundCloud on your smartphone, you may use it to listen to music. Discover and listen to a variety of music. Inside the software, I normally scroll down and click on this icon on the right. Here's a link to a playlist that's currently trending. We'll be brought to this page from there. As you can see, this is where you'll discover all of the latest music organized by genre categories. For instance, if you want to listen to the music in this category, simply click. You'll be directed to this page after clicking on it. The next step is to press the play button right here to begin listening to this music. There is, in fact, a playlist dedicated to this song. There are 50 tunes in this playlist, as you can see, and you may listen to them all. You may listen to music on your smartphone or PC. Now that you know how to use SoundCloud to search music, I'd like to introduce you to azlyrics.com is a website where you may search for various song lyrics. This site has a large selection of songs. For example, let's say I'm looking for the lyrics of Charlie Puth's song Light Switch. All I have to do now is type in the artist's name or the song's title and choose the song as a result of the drop-down menu. After that, I'll be transported to this website where I may just listen to the music. I want you to pay close attention to the next section so you don't make any mistakes. This is the title of the song, and here are the whole lyrics, as you can see. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you to listen to and transcribe music, the song's lyrics. So, for a really simple song like this, which normally lasts between 2 and 4 minutes, simply by transcribing, you may easily generate money over and over again. Take a look at this now. Simply listening to music, you will get rewarded $1.50 for every audio minute. I'm converting it to lyrics. A normal song is around 3 minutes in length. As a result, you can make $4.50 each song depending on these revenues. So the next thing I want you to do is go to rev.com, which is the following website. You may find several work opportunities to transcribe a wide range of music on this website. You may work in a variety of fields here, including transcription, captioning, and translation, with subtitles in other languages. For example, once you've transcribed the music you've heard here into lyrics, you will get compensated for every minute of audio that you transcribe. Keep watching this video, because I'm going to show you some software that you can utilize. You may use for free to do all of your tasks. Let's return to rev.com now. I'd like you to go all the way down to the bottom of this page and click on Freelancers, the section about who we are. You will then be sent to this page, where you may make money online just by transcribing or captioning from the comfort of your own home. The nicest thing about this website is that you may work as little or as much as you want, whenever you desire. You also have the freedom to choose initiatives that pique your interest. In addition, you will be paid monthly into your PayPal account for any tasks performed. You'll notice that there are basically two types of jobs on this page as you go down: transcriptionist, captioner, and website. I'd want you to choose transcriptionist and then click Learn More. This will send you to this page, where you may explore the rest of the website for further information. This is, for example, how you may register and be allowed to begin transcribing. Simply provide your first and last names, as well as your email address and country. They generally accept individuals from all around the world, as you can see above. It makes no difference whether nation you are from. You may participate in this chance right now, no matter where you are. With that stated, I'd want you to